Hey guys, my name is Brandy Hampton. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use a web resource called Smore. S'more is actually a really cute name. It's what kind of drawn me to learning about it, figuring out how to use it. But I think it's a really great web resource for creating newsletters and invitations and things like that. And I'll show you what I mean when I'm talking about that. So if you can create a profile, it's free. However, you do have to upgrade, and that does cost money. And some features within the app cost money, but you can create a lot of things with the free version. So what you do if you're starting a new one, you can start a new one, but I'm going to actually show you guys one that I already created, and then I can show you guys how to mess with it and create new things. So this is an invitation I created for my sister's 19th birthday. Her birthday was actually March 8th. And yeah, you add directions and add all sorts of stuff. So we'll go to edit your newsletter so I can show you guys. So this is where you click if you want to change the title. Obviously, want to keep the title as Happy 19th Birthday Jackie, but you can type anything there. Then add a little subtitle. I said, help us celebrate. And then you just hit done whenever you're done with that. And then over here is actually design and background and stuff. So say I have the heartfelt one, but say I want to do something different, like vintage. Okay. So it'll change the layout and the color and font and stuff like that. And then you can change the color. So I'm going to put it to kind of this yellower one because that's her favorite color. Each theme also has different colors provided. If you wanted a custom color though, you do have to upgrade, but I think that's a lot of colors you can choose from. And you can change the background. So that one's balloon, so I'd actually keep that one, but there's a whole bunch here. So I like that one, but I'm going to change it back to actually I'll keep that one. But yeah, so that's really cool. And then here is where you can just have like a little picture and then a little like subtitle, things you're going to do at the event. That's what I use this page for. When you click it, this is what it looks like. And you just type whatever you like here. You can bold things, other things, do whatever you like. Hit done. And then this is the picture I have here. But I'll hit X and show you guys how I uploaded it. I recommend this website. It's called unsplash.com. And it provides you with photos for free, no copyright. So that's what I did. I downloaded a bunch of birthday related images here. And then you can just hit add picture and see once I downloaded. And just double click. And there you go. Super easy. And then I also like this feature is you can add directions. So I think super cool, especially for emailing it to people and people don't know exactly where to live. It'll show you how to get there. So that's what you do here. And you can put the name of the event, so Jackie's birthday party, the time, the date, and the address. This is obviously not my address. I just didn't want to disclose my actual address online. You give a detail like maybe like parking available or like something like that. And then if you have upgrade version, you can actually do RSVP, where if you send it to people, they can tell you if they're coming or not. So you kind of have an idea of who's going to be there or not. And then if you scroll down, this is the agenda thing, where you just maybe talk about what you're doing at the party. You also type something else here, like whatever you like, and then like I can put like details. Oh shoot. I kind of like agenda, but we'll just do details to show you guys. And then hit done. There you go. And then I'll show up there. You can put anything there. And then here's where you can add more pictures. I left that blank so you guys can see it. So it's kind of the same as these other one. Like let's use this picture. And boom, you just put a picture there, put like pictures of like friends and family, and you can add little titles and descriptions. Like I'll just put balloons just to show you guys. Shoot, I cannot type today, huh? All right. And then whenever you're done, you can also add all three of them at the same time. And then whenever you're done, you just hit done. Or maybe you're like, no, I don't like that. You just hit cancel and boom, it's not there. This is called Party Plan Co. Super interesting. I didn't use it when I was making this because I didn't want to post this and people actually think there's a party. But basically, you could type something and you can have it post automatically to your Facebook, your Twitter, your email, and all that stuff like that. Put your phone number if you have any questions, things like that. So that's really cool. If you don't put anything, just hit cancel. And then something else really about this resource is you can add multiple things within the submission. So say I want to add more text, another big title, more pictures, a gallery where that's where the 3 photos are, maybe a little bit about Jackie if I wanted. an audio, so I can add in an audio of like happy birthday Jackie and then put it in, submit it into. It'd be super easy to do. You can also create like a YouTube video saying that, just the audio, and put it in. You can embed a link, like I said, to YouTube video or maybe another website, things like that. A Google form. This would be really great if like you're having a party and you're trying to get ideas of food to make. You can make a Google form, put in the link, and have people like vote on what food you should make. I think that's really cool. And then this is the pro version out of files. So that's like if you had a PDF or something like that, but I don't feel like that's unnecessary. This is adding more text and a link or something like that. They're all pretty similar, but just like different ways to do things. And yeah, say like you decide, oh, I want to add a bio, okay, and then you decide, oh, you can just leave it there, but you can't save this newsletter until you close that out. So just make sure you remember to close things out. So then, like I said, you can also, what's great about this is you can email these to people. So I'll show you what I've done. I go back to my profile. This is the original one that I said that we were just on. Super sweet. So this is the one I emailed, and all you do is you can just share via email and you can send your newsletter. I did that. I already sent it to myself and I want you guys to see what's in my email, but this is what I sent. I sent it to my email through my profile, and this is what it'll pop up as when you get it in your email. Super cool. And yeah, like I said, someone can hit the directions, you can hit all sorts of stuff. So yeah, I think that's super neat. I also think it's neat because a lot of people are more web-based versus paper-based. So I think this is really great technology to have nowadays where everyone is using technology. I use this on a Dell laptop. I just make sure you have Google Chrome downloaded. It does not work with Internet Explorer like a lot of things nowadays. It runs kind of slow. So if it dies, I think it works better if you use it on a laptop. I did not try it on an iPod or iPad or whatever. But I feel like a laptop will work a lot better. But I feel like you could definitely use it on an iPad or something like that. It is web-based. You don't need an app to download it. You don't need to download anything for it. You just have to go to s'moresapp.com and create a profile and decide if you want to upgrade or not. There's no installation, like I said, and it's free, like I also said, for the most part. Like I said, I feel like the upgraded version you probably wouldn't need, because it provides a lot of resources without the upgraded version. But I will say you can only make 3 newsletters for free, and then you do have to upgrade. But the loophole I found of that is just having one, and then once you send it out, just go to one and edit it to your new thing. I think that's super simple. That's not that big of a deal instead of starting new. So you can just keep these 3 and just edit them each time if you want to create a new invitation or something like that. I feel like this will also be great to use in a school setting, which sounds a little weird, but I feel like in schools there's always a lot of events going on, and it'd be super great for kids just to create something, like say like for like a dance. They can totally create one of these and just email it to people in the school. I think that'd be great. And the age level, I feel like any age level could use this. If you're using technology, I feel like you could definitely use this. It's not that hard to use. I think the hardest part about this website is just like knowing the rules about the upgraded version, and that you can only have 3 newsletters and then that's it until make you have an upgraded profile. But like I said, just edit like one to whatever you need it to be to, because you can always change these. Like they don't go anywhere, they don't expire. So I think any age level in the school system like uses. Like I feel like middle school, high school up. I feel like grade schoolers like wouldn't need to make an invitation, but you never know. So yeah, that is how you use Smore. I think it's super easy and super easy way to be creative and create newsletters for fun events. Thanks for listening.